Good morning students. Yesterday we studied chapter 2 4 operations. What are the 4 operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Today we study the second operation, subtraction. Today we study second subtraction. Then 87,325 minus 35,420. Here the bigger number is called minute, the smaller number is called subtrahend. Already you studied in previous class, in 4th class. This is the bigger number is called minute, the smaller number is called subtrahend. Then the result of minute and subtrahend is called difference. The result of the two number is called difference. First, now we subtract this number. 0 take away from 5. 0 take away from 5 is 5. Then 2 take away from 2, 0. 4 take away from 3. This is possible? No. We take a borrow. This cut 6, this cut 13. Then now 4 take away from 13. You get 9. Then 5 take away from 6. You get 1. Then 3 take away from 8. You get 5. Then this, the bigger number is called minute. The smaller number is called subtrahend. Then the result is called difference. Again, bigger number is called minute, smaller number is called subtrahend, the result is called difference. Now we get a formula, minute minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Then minute minus difference is equal to subtrahend. Then difference plus subtrahend is equal to minute. Again repeat this, minute minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Then minute minus difference is equal to subtrahend. Then difference plus subtrahend is equal to minute. Then subtract. For example, listen. For example, subtract 2,78,350 from 4,35,615. Then which is the bigger number here? 4 lakh. Smaller number 2 lakh. Then again one word also come here, from. This meaning is second number come in first. Second number come in first. You write according to place value ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Then you write a second number right in first. According to place value, you start with the ones place. 5, 1, 6, 5, 3, 4. Then first number 0, 5, 3, 8, 7, 2. Then subtract this number. 0 take away from 5. 0 take away from 5. What do you get? 5. 5 take away from 1. This is possible? No. We take a borrow. We take a borrow in nested place. This go to 5. This go to 11. We take a 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Then 5 take away from 11. You get 6. Okay. Then 3 take away from 5. You get 2. 8 take away from 5. This is possible? No. We take again, we take a borrow. This 15, this 12. 2. Then 8 take away from 15. You get 7. Then 7 take away from 2. This is possible? No. We take again we take a borrow. Here 12. 7 take away from 12. You get 5. Then 2 take away from 3. 1. This is our difference. Understand it? Then solving problems. Raman has 42,000 rupees, 42,350. Raman has 42,350. He spent rupees 13,555. How many rupees he spent? 13,555. How much money left with him? In previous class we also learned WH words are not come in statement. WH words are not come in statement. First you read this. Raman has 42,350. You are Raman. You have how many rupees you have? 42,350. Okay. Then he spent 13,555. You spend. You have a Raman. You spend 13,555 rupees you spend. Then how much money left with him? Here question. How much money left with you? Understand the question? Then first statement solution. Raman has money. Money has Raman or Raman has money. Raman has money. Rupees 42,350. Okay. Then he spent money. He spent money is 13 rupees 13,555. Next left. Which word come in question? Left. Therefore, this question is subtraction. Then left money is equal to, then subtract this. 5 take away from 0, this is possible? No. We take a borrow, this go 4, this 10. Then here 5. Again 5 take away from 4? No. This is not possible. Again we take a borrow, this go to 14. Then 5 take away from 14, then you get a 9. Again 5 take away from 2, this is possible? No. You take a borrow, this go now 1, this 12. Then 7. Then again 3 take away from 1, this is possible? No. This cut 3, this 11. Then 8. Then 1 take away from 3, 2. What is your answer? 28,795. Then in final answer, hence, which word we use? Hence. Hence, rupees 28,795 left with him. Understand solving problems? All students understand? Yes. Next our topic, evaluate. Evaluate. Listen here, 4,35,350 plus 2,12,550 minus 1,45,375. Here two signs come here. One is addition, second subtraction. First we add this two number. First we add this two number. Then 4,35,350, 2,12,550. Then first we add this number. 0, 10, carrying over 9, 7, 4, 6. Then this answer right here. 6,47,900. Then 1,45,375. Then minus this. 5 take away from 0, this is possible? No. This cut 10, this cut 9, this cut 8. Then now 5 take away from 10, 5. 7 take away from 9, 2, 3 take away from 8, 5, then 5 take away from 7, 2, 4 take away from 4, 0, 1 take away from 6, 5. Understand? Then one more question here. Eight lakh 25,715 minus 3,14,255 plus 1,48,175. Listen here. Look carefully. Subtraction and addition. Which are two number here add? First and here the addition sign come. First and last number. This is not an addition. This sign is minus sign. First you add in Bottomless rule. Bottomless, you know Bottomless? First B for bracket, O for off means multiply, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. In Bodemus rule, first we add. Then which are the addition here? First number, there is no sign here. Thus, you suppose this is addition. 8,25,715 and 1,48,175. The both numbers are first you add. Then 8,25,715. Then 1,48,175. First we add this number. 5 plus 5, 0, carrying 1. Then 9, 8, 13, carrying 1, 7, then 9. Then you write this answer here, 9,73,890 minus 1,48,175. Then now we subtract. 5 take away from 0, this is possible? No. We take borrow here 8. Then now we 5 take away from 10, 5, 7 take away from 8, 1, 1 take away from 8, 7, then 8 take away from 3, this is not possible, then 13, then 6, then 5, then 4 take away from 6, 2, 1 take away from 9, 8. Understand? Yes. Understand all students? Yes. Yes. Now I give some homework here, you do in notebook. Then any doubt to ask me. Thank you for listening me.